handshake to turn into an all-out hangama. A lot can change in just a blink of an eye, especially in Indian politics. But will the Naya Sansad fulfill our hopes and dreams for Naya Bharat? Will the acrimony of a fiercely fought election be set aside? Will the parliamentarians unite to build Viksit Bharat? Let's tell you about the optics on day one, which may be the setting of the tone for the next few weeks, months and years. Today was round one, the first battle after the 2024 elections, and this round went to Prime Minister Modi hands down and the NDA. The polls for the Lok Sabha Speaker was a cakewalk for the united NDA candidate Om Birla. The India bloc didn't even have the numbers and did not even ask for a division or voting because they had little hope of winning this one. However, Rahul Gandhi, newly appointed as the leader of opposition, seemed to start on the right note. Watch these visuals on your screens. Rahul Gandhi was seen walking up to the speaker and congratulated him. He also shook hands with the Prime Minister, a formal handshake, not like the awkward jappi puppy that happened last time around in Parliament, and a wink that followed. The both of them, as per protocol, escorted the speaker to his chair as he took over. Watch democratic courtesies on display.
मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि श्री ओम बिरला जो इस सभा के सदस्य हैं को इस सभा के अध्यक्ष के रूप में चुना जाए।
Shri Om Birla is declared elected as the Speaker of this House. Shri Om Birla to come up and occupy the chair.
However, the optics of this bonhomie was short-lived and the courtesies were crushed under the acrimony of politics as they returned to their seats. Rahul Gandhi and his allies like Akhilesh Yadav trained their guns on the newly elected speaker, reminding him of his democratic duty to be fair and bipartisan in his approach of handling leaders of opposition as well as members of parliament in the opposition. Listen in.
So the idea, Speaker Sir, so the idea that you can run the House efficiently by silencing the voice of the opposition is a non-democratic idea.
लोक सभा के अध्यक्ष के रूप में आप हर सांसद और हर दल को बराबरी का मौका और सम्मान देंगे। निष्पक्षता इस महान पद की महान जिम्मेदारी है। आप लोकतांत्रिक न्याय के मुख्य न्यायाधीश की तरह बैठे हैं। हम सबकी आपसे अपेक्षा है कि किसी भी जनप्रतिनिधि की आवाज दबाई न जाए।
Soon, the speaker, Om Birla, turned the tables. Om Birla invoked the dark days of emergency. In fact, a post facto ratification of emergency was made by the cabinet. 50 years later, the speaker then sought 2 minutes of silence. The irked Congress party MPs rose up in outrage and disrupted the silent period with chants of shame, shame and tanashahi. Watch this play out on day one of business in the House.
भारत के इतिहास में 25 जून 1975 के उस दिन को हम हमेशा काले अध्याय के रूप में जाना जाएगा। इसलिए हमारी संसदीय प्रणाली अनगिनत बलिदानों के बाद मिली दूसरी आज़ादी के प्रति अपनी प्रतिबद्धता को दोहराने के लिए आज के प्रस्ताव किया जाना आवश्यक है। इमरजेंसी के इस काले खंड में कांग्रेस की तानाशाह सरकार के हाथों अपनी जान गंवाने वाले भारत के ऐसे कर्तव्यनिष्ठ और देश में प्रेम करने वाले नागरिकों की स्मृति में हम सब 2 मिनट का मौन रखते हैं।
As As you just saw, the democratic courtesies of Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi shaking hands were fast forgotten and relegated to history. In fact, Sena Uddhav Thackeray's group member of parliament Sanjay Raut took to social media saying, "Ye to trailer hai, aage aage dekho hota hai kya," and put out a picture. The picture playing on your screens. So is the opposition setting the stage for a showdown and war of words?
चिल्ला रहे थे, नारेबाजी कर रहे थे, मगर समाजवादी पार्टी के लोग खड़े थे, टीएमसी के लोग शांति से खड़े थे, डीएमके के लोग खड़े थे। इन सब को खड़े देख राहुल गांधी को भी अंततोगत्वा खड़ा होना ही पड़ा।
उस सदन में कई पार्टियों के नेता थे बैठे, जिनमें नैतिकता नहीं थी, भले ही वो विपक्ष में हो कांग्रेस के साथ। जैसे अखिलेश यादव थे, उनके पिताजी जेल में थे, डीएमके कांजी मोहन जी थी, उनकी पार्टी डिसमिस हो गई थी। लालू जी की पार्टी आरजेडी, उनकी बेटी का नाम ही मीसा है।
What we saw was the speaker, unfortunately, really discussing a matter that's raising a matter that had not been discussed in the House, and in a manner that frankly came across as confrontational, which was not the right note on which to start the session.
The opposition threatening a stormy session of Sansad. Let's remind you how disruptions in the past have tainted our democracy. The worst affected session was in 2016 winter session, when the Lok Sabha only functioned for 15% of the allotted time and the Rajya Sabha for 18% of the time. A total of 107 and 101 hours respectively were wasted in both houses of parliament. In 2021 monsoon session, 77 hours of Lok Sabha were wasted, while 76 hours were wasted in disruptions in the Rajya Sabha. And finally, in the 2023 budget session, total of 199 hours were wasted in both houses. But is there more confrontation in store in the 18th Lok Sabha? That really is the question people of India are asking. So, the legitimate question tonight: has the Vipaksh set the tone for dangal and not debate on the floor of the House? That's the question, and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Rohan Gupta, spokesperson of the BJP, making his debut on the News Hour tonight. Welcome, Rohan Gupta ji. Satya Prakash Mishra, leader of the JDU, joining me live from Patna. Deepak Reddy, national spokesperson of the TDP. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary, political analyst and Congress leader. Abbas Haider, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Anand Dubey, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction. And let me first ask Abbas Haider. Abbas Haider, election